You can now provide user feedback directly from within NXCam by clicking one of two buttons in the NX title bar. There are three levels of feedback. The first level is to simply click Send a Smile or Send a Frown in the NXCam title bar, indicating satisfaction or dissatisfaction with NXCam, and submit. The second level is to add a brief description, telling us what you like or dislike about NXCam. Both of these levels of feedback are anonymous and will be identified only by the customer's Sold-To ID. There's a privacy statement you can access via the web browser and read through. The third feedback level is to take a survey. Clicking Survey gives you access to the survey form in the integrated web browser. This survey is specific to NXCam and allows you to provide detailed information that will be forwarded to the appropriate product owner for review. Indicate the satisfaction level for the general areas that apply. You may also explain the reasons for your ratings by filling in the text field in the form. Click Next. Indicate your satisfaction level for the specific areas of NX that apply and type any additional comments. Fill in your email address, name, and company. This will allow us to follow up if necessary. You may continue interacting with NX while filling out the survey, allowing you to reference the functionality and user interface for your comments. When finished, click Submit.